beautiful places to visit. Super stunning. What? Oh my goodness. That's so beautiful. Callaway Garden. Wow. Fabulous. This is a home of southern comfort and sweet peaches. To see the beauty of this super amazing place. A place also that is ingrained with deep history and rich culture. Natural beauty and memorable experiences. You can really fall in love with everything in here. You can plan a day for all these beautiful landmarks. Plenty of things to do inside and outside. Going to our hotel. Travelers can get to the shore too. Super beautiful. Both science buffs and nature lovers. Hello, the nature. Will feel right at home at this park and garden. This is the entrance for our hotel. Callaway Gardens, Pine Mountain, Georgia. The restaurants. Travel, food, and leisure. In general, this is a good state of foods if you want really nice foods. All are delicious. Cheers, everyone. Our breakfast. Eat all you can as it's buffet. Yummy breakfast. Omelette of my choice. Coffee, of course, because there are lots of walking, hiking to keep you going. Cheers, everyone. This is so beautiful, flowering, small trees. Hey. Beautiful areas to visit here in Callaway Garden, Georgia. Hi, we're back here. We're back. I can hear. It's like in the cage. Ah. The Butterfly Garden Center.
Your finger in front of it.
A lot to see and a must-visit place. This is still inside the Butterfly Garden. Lots, lots of different kinds of color butterflies. Maamo sila lahat. Uy. Different types of butterflies are flocking my head, my shoulders, in my dress. Amazing architectural design because there's also a sun rays. Beautiful plants. Lots of colorful flowering plants too. She loves our water. Napakaamoy eh. Nakakatuwa. I love this place. I can visit again soon.
That's so cute. Wow. My hand.
You got it, right?
We are truly enjoying. Done our butterfly garden tour, and
It's the hotel entrance.
back now in our home for a few days.
Yes. That's the villas, hotel and resort where we stayed.
Birds chirping. Beautiful nature, flowers, birds. While we are enjoying the beautiful sunshine, the weather, the sun.
Pool resort in our hotel where we stayed.
Beautiful place and very clean. Truly enjoying the very greenery scenery.
Lots of bees, right?
Oh, there's a lot of bees. They like those flowers, whatever they were.
Duh. You said duh.
Beautiful landmark, and I love walking this place.
Villas.
The beautiful waterfall too. The people, the birds, and everything are enjoying this beautiful environment. The amazing waterfalls. Here in Callaway Garden Resorts,
We're gonna stay here and watch the sunset. And watch the sunset.
Sunset is on the other side.
Okay. Hi, my hair.
watching sunsets here. The sound of the birds, though, very fascinating. A nature lover here. Truly a very beautiful place to visit and stay, of course.
I enjoying the beautiful place scenery.
Enjoying with my family, my husband. Truly a beautiful place. Yoo-hoo! Come and visit and explore this beautiful, amazing environment. The beautiful yards, it's a beautiful landscape too. Those super beautiful plants. And these stunning villas and hotels, resorts. Truly so fascinating.
That's me enjoying the fountain.
Oh.
Hubby is truly enjoying watching the fountain because the birds are also flying and playing.
Cheers! My dinner.
Our delicious dinner.
Beautiful place. Actually, it's already cold. I just want to wear this. We just came from a restaurant.
After our dinner at Piedmont restaurant, we enjoyed walking and
Yeah.
exploring. Beautiful place, beautiful nature. The beautiful fountain. The landscaping is absolutely beautiful. Even the sound, how beautiful, very natural and very relaxing.
Leaving the amazing Callaway garden now for our next stop in the warm spring. Wow. Callaway Garden Resort in Georgia.